Hi, this is Brian. This is video 3 in my series of introducing your Unix system to a network. I'm introducing my Solaris 10 system to my local home network. The first two videos, we changed our host name, set our default gateway, and configured DNS. This video will be configuring your system for static IP. So the first thing we're going to do is log into SuperUser, and so this is kind of review. If you watched my last video, there is a file that I had you delete. That file was etsy/dhcp.e1000g0, or in whatever case your interface is. In my case, it was e1000g0. If we list our Etsy directory here, you'll see that I have a DHCP file, but the dhcp.e1000g0, which was a separate file, is gone. So that file needs to be removed if it's still there. The command to remove it, very simple. It's rm-r/etsy/dhcp dot the name of your interface, and that will remove the file from your Etsy directory. Once that's done, the next thing we're going to do, first I want everyone to type ifconfig-a, and this is going to display your IP address currently. Now, I already configured this system. Before I configured it to 10.0.0.253, it was .20. So I'm going to suggest to everyone that you use a high number for that last number. You may have a 192.168, or you might have a 10.0.0, but that last number, the highest usable IP address is 255 with a 255.255.255.0 subnet mask. That is the highest usable address. So I already used 254. For this one, I'm going to use 253. So I'll suggest to you do the same. If you don't have a 254, you could set it up as a 254 if you want to. That's up to you. But use something, I suggest a higher number, something that will not already be on one of your computers in your system. So that being said, we're going to change that. And the command that we're going to type to change that is ifconfig, and then you're going to type the name of your interface. In my case, it's e1000g0 inet, and then you're going to type in the new IP address, the static IP address. In my case, it was 10.0.0.253. Then after that, you're going to put /24. That's for your subnet mask. That's the same as having a 255.255.255.0 subnet mask. If you're not sure what that means, it's beyond the scope of this video. I think I am going to put up a video explaining subnetting. It was a kind of a tricky subject for me. Once I figured it out, I think I'm going to be able to give everybody a pretty simple explanation of how it works. But for now, put /24 and then type the word up. You'll hit enter. Once you hit enter, I'm not going to hit enter because I already configured mine. Once you hit enter, go back to ifconfig-a, and it should say right here your new IP address. Now there is a distinct possibility it may not. When I did it the first time, and I did it on my other Unix system the first time, this was all zeros. So what I had to do was I had to type the entire command again. So I typed ifconfig e1000g0 inet 10.0.0.253/24 up. Type it again, run your ifconfig-a, and it should be there. And you should see that the IP address has changed to the new static IP address. That's done. Next thing, clear out your screen. I want everyone to more their Etsy host file, and this needs to be configured exactly like this. These first two lines, nothing will happen. This third line, the first part of it should be the new IP address. That has to be changed. And the second part has to be the host name that you configured. In my case, Brian Soul 2017. So the way we're going to change that once again is with V. You're going to V etc hosts, and you're going to make sure you hit escape, scroll down to here, and change this address. In my case, before it was 20, now it's 253. So I change that, and then if this says, this may say unknown. If this says unknown, you need to change this to your new host name for your system. Once that's done, colon WQ exclamation point, exit out and save. And that's it. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to restart your network daemon. And it's one simple command, very easy. You're going to type svcadm restart network. Once you type that, that is just going to reset your network and the network daemon, and that is it. At this point, you should close out. You should restart your Solaris system. And once you do that, you're going to test your network connectivity, test your ping, open up your browser, and make sure that you have internet connectivity. You should. And if you did everything correctly, like I showed you in the video, you should have no problem being able to access the internet on your Solaris system. And as you can see, I'm connecting through Google here, and it's slow, but it is working, and I am connected to the internet. So I hope you like these videos. I think I'm going to put a couple more videos up explaining some different concepts with networking in Unix. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. Thank you. Thanks for watching.